This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, May the 2nd, 2013. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have this trough digging in across the plain states, and that's bringing that cold air that's bringing the snow, that brought the snow yesterday to northwestern and north central Iowa and continues to do so. Now this is the 850 millibar temperature, and that blue line extending across Iowa. From there westward is the best chance to see some rain or snow or all snow. This is at midday Thursday. As you can see, we move to 1 a.m. Friday. That line does not move much from about Decorah, maybe Waukon or Prairie du Chien to Cedar Rapids to about Ottumwa. From there westward has the best chance of seeing wintry precipitation to the east rain. Then on Friday at midday by early afternoon, it begins to shift back to about the I-35 corridor as warm air begins to come back in from the Gulf of Mexico and warms the temperatures back up. And that's going to produce some more rain. And then by Friday night into Saturday morning, the 850 millibar temperatures will be all above freezing, so all of the precipitation will likely be rain at this point, and possibly heavy rain as the Gulf will be wide open from the south. Heading back to the 500 millibar chart at this point, this here on Saturday at midday shows the upper level low clear down in northern Arkansas, about near Jonesboro. The Gulf will be still steadily open with some moisture. Becomes a little more scattered here Sunday as the upper level feature moves into the middle Mississippi River Valley and into Tennessee at this point. So the rain showers will be more widely scattered and lighter on Sunday. And then by Monday, the upper level feature is now over northern Alabama, about near Birmingham or maybe Gadsden. You can see the rain will be over the Ohio-Tennessee Valley into the mid-Atlantic states. Around here will be clearing out and warming back up into at least the 60s and possibly the 70s again by Tuesday. Today we have snow, and now we're going to talk about 70s again after a few areas a day or two ago were near 90. Then snow, then 70s. Wednesday also looks the same. GFS wants to put in a little chance of a shower or so. This may be during the overnight hours Wednesday night into Thursday, with the next system moving in from the west, the upper level low still over the east. A week from today, this upper level low will be over the mid-Atlantic, over the Delmarva Peninsula. The main westerlies well up to our north, but a new storm system will be coming in anyway from the west, and this will bring some showers. The Gulf not totally open at this point, so it may be moisture starved, but still could produce maybe a good quarter to half inch of rain if this is right. But we can't even get this upper level low situated promptly, so what do you know about a week? A couple days after that, on the 13th of May, we have a ridge over the west, and we have a trough over the east. A slight northwesterly flow aloft will keep temperatures a skosh cooler than seasonal levels, but still nothing like it is in the next couple of days. Likely seeing highs in the 60s to lower to middle 70s, with another front coming in from the north and west, bringing some rain showers and maybe a thunderstorm late in the day in that area. And at the end of the forecast on the 17th of May, we have a ridge over the west, a system moving across the eastern Great Lakes, another just off the Pacific Northwest coast. And with this, we still have a slight northwesterly flow, and that'll still keep temperatures relatively cool, but not cold. Highs likely in the 60s, with maybe an early day shower, as the main storm by this point will be well off to our south and east. Looking at the satellite image from last evening, there's the system in question with some showers and thunderstorms over Texas. Some moisture with an upper-level feature over Louisiana, and that'll be in training into this system, bringing rain and snow across the Midwest into the northern plains. The watch warning map from last evening, we had winter weather issues from Colorado through Kansas, Nebraska, into northwestern Iowa, into Minnesota and Wisconsin. Some flood issues across Mississippi, Louisiana, expiring severe thunderstorm watch in Texas, and wind there as well. The QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall amounts could be quite plentiful. And some of this could be in the form of snow, maybe 2 to 3 or maybe even 4 inches of rain. Now, when we look at the probabilities, this is the probabilities of snow. This is from yesterday evening through Friday evening at 7 o'clock. This is of 2 inches of snow or more. Probabilities looking pretty good over the west, as some areas have already had that much. This is of 4 inches of snow or more through Friday evening at 7 o'clock. The orange area over 80%, and there's some areas even at midnight on Thursday that have already had that much. Now this is 8 inches of snow. You can see the brighter blue over south central Minnesota is 70 to 80%, with the blue areas going down to 40% or higher in western and northern Iowa. And then we have the audacity to show this. This is the probability of 1 foot of snow. The dark blue area is 40 to 50%, and the little bitty light blue area is 50 to 60% chance at seeing a foot of snow or more. And when we look at this model, this is the 0Z NAM. This is the snowfall through 7 a.m. Sunday. Of course, the snow will have ended long before that. And the blue areas are showing snowfall amounts well in excess of 12 inches. In fact, closer to 16 to 20. And when we look at the GFS, this is through 7 a.m. Sunday as well. The snowfall amounts are not as high, thank goodness. The dark blue area is about 8 to 10 inches. So there could be some snow, but we just don't know how much yet.